Hi everyone, welcome to Creation Depot. My name is Wendy Literal. I'm going to be showing you today how to change the rulers around in Photoshop. It's actually really simple. The first thing I'm going to show you is how to change it from inches to pixels and pixels to inches and picas and a whole bunch of other measurements. But also I'm going to show you how to make the ruler come and go with a keyboard shortcut, which I find to be really useful when I'm just trying to look at my artwork, right? So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so looking at the screen, excuse me. Helps to have all my tools. Not really, you don't need your tools for this. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and move tools. So you don't have to be on any particular tool to do this. It's just my preference. So you right click up here. Currently it is in inches and I want to move it to pixels. There you go. That's it. That's all you got to do. And then back to inches or to centimeters, millimeters, points, picas, or a percentage. And that's just all you do is you just right click and go to the one that you need. That's all there is to it. And then for the quick how to make it come and go as you want, it's just on a PC, it's Control R. I believe it is just Apple or Command R on the Mac. I'm pretty sure. And that's it, comes and go. But see how much cleaner it looks? And then if you hit Tab, everything goes away. And you can really see your artwork in like a shadow box kind of thing. It's really awesome. And then just hit Tab again to make it come back, Control R to make the ruler come back, and again, put it in pixels. I tend to work in pixels for all my digital stuff, and of course, print is inches. So, all right, that's it. Take care. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.